Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking for a sturdy, space-saving setup for DIY projects or job site tasks, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best portable workbenches, selected for their durability, versatility, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, all product links are in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Cosco Portable Workbench. Need a workspace that actually moves with you between projects? The Cosco Portable Workbench brings convenience, durability, and genuine versatility together. Its wheeled design means you can take it wherever work requires, garage, driveway, or across different job sites without hassle. Folding takes mere seconds, making storage and transport surprisingly straightforward for a workbench offering this much usable space. Built from heavy-duty steel, it delivers exceptional strength you can depend on. The hardwood top supports up to 400 pounds, while the lower shelf holds an additional 300 pounds, giving you 700 pounds total capacity. That's serious weight capacity for woodworking, tool storage, or mechanical repairs. The hardwood top measures 52 by 24 inches, providing ample space for cutting, measuring, assembling, or staging tools during projects. 4 locking casters keep everything firmly in place while you work. Number 2. Bosch PWB 600 Workbench. Want smart engineering combined with practical features, creating a dependable workspace? The Bosch PWB 600 combines both elegantly. Its bamboo work surface is waterproof and scratch-resistant, ensuring durability regardless of where you use it, outdoors, in damp garages, or on varied terrain. The standout feature is the fast folding mechanism. This bench folds in just 5 seconds and becomes incredibly compact at only 9 centimeters thick when stored. Perfect for small garages, sheds, or on-the-go projects where space remains limited. The versatile clamping system with adjustable worktops and clamping dogs lets you secure round, bulky, or irregularly shaped materials with ease, offering greater stability while cutting, drilling, sanding, or assembling components. The aluminum frame adds durability while keeping overall weight manageable for easy transport between locations. A built-in storage compartment keeps screws, drill bits. Number 3. WORX WX051 Workbench. Need extreme versatility in one portable package? The WORX WX051 Pegasus Workbench operates as both a workbench and sawhorse, 2 completely different tools in one clever design. Opens quickly and folds compactly, making it excellent for people needing a workstation moving with them between various projects throughout the day or week. Weighing only 30 pounds, it carries comfortably, yet pairs durable ABS plastic with steel supports for genuine long-term reliability. As a workbench, it supports up to 300 pounds, providing plenty of strength for staining, light assembly, repairs, or crafting tasks. In sawhorse mode, however, it becomes genuinely impressive, supporting up to 1,000 pounds, making it perfect for handling lumber, large panels, or heavy equipment. The 31 by 25 inch surface gives ample working room, while the 32-inch height provides comfortable working position, preventing back strain. Another advantage is expandability. Connect it to other works tables like the Sidekick or clamping sawhorse to create larger workspaces. Number 4. Keter Folding Workbench. Looking for quick setup combined with rugged construction and impressive load capacity? The Keter Folding Workbench unfolds and becomes fully functional within 30 seconds. No assembly required whatsoever. Perfect for users wanting immediate workspace without wasting time on setup procedures. The work surface supports up to 1,000 pounds, and the included 12-inch clamps work horizontally or vertically to secure boards, pipes, and materials during cutting, drilling, sanding, or assembling. Built from weather-resistant polypropylene reinforced with heavy-duty resin and aluminum legs, it won't rust, dent, or peel. That makes it suitable for outdoor use, garages, job sites, and workshops, anywhere you need dependable workspace. It serves as an excellent platform for miter saws, woodworking tasks, and various home improvement projects, thanks to genuine stability and wide top surface. When jobs finish, the quick folding system collapses everything into compact form, storing easily in car trunks or against walls. Number 5. ONCUPID Folding Workbench. Want ultimate portability paired with speed and serious load capacity? The ONCUPID Folding Workbench sets up and folds down in less than 3 seconds, among the quickest, most convenient workbenches available. Perfect for fast-paced projects or frequent job site moves requiring minimal setup time. Weighing only 23.3 pounds, it's extremely portable and easy to carry, store, or transport in car trunks or workshop quarters. Despite lightweight construction, this bench impresses with sturdy performance thanks to reinforced metal legs handling up to 1,000 pounds, enough for heavy tools, equipment, and genuinely demanding tasks. The spacious work surface accommodates diverse applications, whether assembling furniture, performing repairs, or tackling professional-level workshop tasks. Its versatility makes it suitable for garages, homes, outdoor spaces, or job sites, providing dependable workspace wherever needed. Clamping compatibility further improves functionality, and that's our list of the top 5 best portable workbenches. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.